Welcome back to Hoover Tractor. Today we'd like to show you how easy it is to remove and reinstall a mower deck on a Kioti CS-30 series. These are drive-over mower decks, and you have the option to get the quick attach assembly for the PTO shaft and the mower deck. Let's check out how easy it is. Now, one thing you'll notice here is when you're going to reinstall the mower deck, you do need to lift up the PTO shaft and put it on the prop. And the stub coming out from the gearbox under the tractor, you do have to lower so it meets the PTO shaft when you're reinstalling it. Well, hopefully that video was helpful, and if you're interested in the CS-30 series or you already have one, hopefully this video was able to give you some guidance. Give us a call if you have any questions, 570-966-3821, or check out our new website, hoovertractor.com, where you can order parts online, have them shipped directly to you, or come pick them up in person. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, share this video with someone if it's helpful to them. See you.